So this is the result, and if you can see, it started off very stringy. This is the main problem I was getting whilst printing with PETG compared to your PLA. You can see it's very weak. However, changing the settings, you can see very clearly it's become very nice, and the quality on this is just as good, if not better, than PLA. It's extremely strong. I can't break this with my thumb. But this is my setup here. I'm going to go through a few settings. So if you have a model already made and it's set up and optimized for PLA, let's just have a look. Print from file. So these are the standard models you get with the ender already on there. Let's go for a dog. We're going to change a few settings on here. So you go there, tune, speed. Now we're going to change this to 95. I'll explain later. The nozzle, it's heating up at the moment, but we want this a lot hotter than 200 degrees. You want it at least at 230. I'll set it at 234. The bed, this is for adhesion. Now because we're using a hot nozzle, we also need a hot bed. You can go up to 80, but 75 to 80 is perfect. I'll go in the middle. Now this is the fan speed that cools down the nozzle. It's usually set at 100%. We're setting this 25%. The flow, this is the important bit. We need more flow because this material comes down very thin. We're going to change this from 100% to 150%. This is the main issue I was having, the stringiness on my model. So let's see. With all these settings, they look good. Let's have a look. So you can see here, nozzle temperature is warming up. The bed temperature again is warming up. Fan is set there. That 95 is our speed. It doesn't show you the speed, the flow setting on here. However, you can always go back to the fine tune and change that if you're having any issues. Go to pause print and then change the settings. And yeah, come back. Well, I'm going to short to middle of the process and show you what's going on. But yeah, let's see how this one goes. So here it's reached temperature and the operation is starting. This is what you can expect for it to start doing. As you can see, my bed is a little scratched, but it's clean. It doesn't have any oil on it. You need to make sure there's no oil on your bed, so clean it with isopropyl alcohol. So yeah, I'll come back in a sec. We'll just do a quick short on this. Also be careful guys, when it starts doing the first layer it might try to go back to the settings within the file, so just change them again. So the printer's just stopped. It's taken 3 hours. Let's turn the printer off so we can move the bed. The Ender 3 Pro has a removable bed. Let's have a look. at that. This is all clearing up, but yeah, I'm happy with that. It's a little bit untidy on top, but the stringing is minimal. The base is nice. It's not bad for a second print. I think my little boy will be happy with that. Yeah, come on, new projects.